We want to thank all of our wonderful customers who have made Klahanie Chevron their place for all kinds of routine services. Oil changes, brake repair, coolant flushes, new tires, new batteries, and general repair provided by our ASE certified technicians. Here at Klahanie Chevron, we do it all. We have 5 service bays and technicians on duty 6 days a week. See you soon.
If you're buying a new vehicle and are in a quandary over whether to buy a car or a truck, Car and Driver publishes an article on their website called 9 Reasons You Should Buy a Truck or SUV. Here's what they say in favor of trucks. Number 1, you use your vehicle for work, hauling stuff, all kinds of stuff. Second, you have more than 5 family members, sometimes a lot more. Number 3, you have 2 child seats. You probably also have a baby stroller, diaper bag, and 2 adults. 2 frequently exhausted adults. You need a big vehicle. According to Car and Driver, you live someplace that gets lots of snow. Imagine this in a car. Number 5, you are more comfortable in a truck. It's roomier, which is even more important if you're a big guy or gal. 6th, you have a big dog. I said a big dog. 7th, you take the road less traveled, which is to say, you get off of paved roads sometimes. Number 8, you need a trailer for camping or boating. And lastly, it's easier to jump into a truck than to lower yourself into or climb out of a car. Next month, cars get their chance.
For gas, diesel, and ASE certified auto technicians, come to Klahanie Chevron. Thank you for watching.